Mm-hmm. Yep, he fell off. What happened? What happened on this page? Yeah, what were they doing? They were... Yeah, bananas. Jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the... Called the... Doctor. And the doctor said... What did the doctor say? That's right. Good job. And then what happened? Good job.